Hey, what's going on everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and today we're looking at a case from Speck. This is the Presidio grip case and has a military grade of 10 feet, drop tested approved. So, start the video, show you what I'm talking about. Now. Alright guys, so here we have the Presidio grip case for your iPhone 10. It comes to us from Speck. So I actually got this for free when I was at CES, and I actually asked the lady if she could give me a free case, and she gave me this one, which I'm pretty happy with because I love the black on white type of look. That's why I like my Panda. I'm definitely already feeling this case because it's all black. It reminds me of like the Batman symbol. But so let's just see exactly what's inside the box. So if you guys want to pause this and read it for yourself, you definitely can. Let me just get into focus real quick. So there you go. So you have designed for impact and all this stuff right here. So if you guys want to pause this and read for yourself, you definitely can. And you do have a lot of lip action, which is my favorite thing to say. And we have that drop protection absorption as well. And we do have the sticker that is a real Speck case. Okay, so let's just pop this baby open, see what it looks like. So you have the Impactium shock barrier. So basically it's just saying that you have a lot of protection for the case, and you have a lot of lip action, as you can see from right there. So we could just slowly run through this, and we could look at the case as well. Such a beautiful case, and it's designed for impact. So let's just take this baby out and see what it looks like on the phone. Alright, so here's the case itself, and we could put this inside the iPhone 10 with ease, and it slips right in. So here's the case, guys. What do you guys think about it? How does it look to you? It does have a slim form, but you do have these extra grips, which is like exactly what I need in a case, especially with an iPhone 10. It's so slippery that, I mean, like, it's even hard to even hold it without a case. And you do have your logo for Speck right over there. So if you want to focus in on that, we definitely can. There's a Speck. Let's see how the camera action is as far as the lip protection. So you have a nice lip there. And let's see how the lip protection is on the front. There you go. Looks pretty good on all corners as usual, because Speck provides a good amount of lip action. So I'm definitely impressed with this case because it's heavy duty, it's slim, does have nice and clicky buttons, a little bit mushy on the volume up and down. Let's see how that looks. So you have room for the mute toggle switch, and the volume up and down is good. And this is the power button. I keep calling this the volume up and down, and I always press it by accident, but this is the power button, and it's a little bit clicky, but not as clicky as the volume up and down. So let's see how the ports are. See if we can zoom into that. Well, so let's just zoom into that real quick. Everything looks pretty good. Everything clear. So if you guys want to buy this product, the link will be down below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this, or Speck products, and more tech to come. So, to the next video, guys.